November Leap Story. One Bean. Written by Anne Rockwell. Pictures by Megan Hasley. One Bean by Anne Rockwell. Illustrated by Megan Hasley. I had one bean. It was dry and smooth and hard. I put it on a wet paper towel. I covered it with another wet paper towel. Soon its skin had turned all wrinkly. My bean had gotten fatter too. I think it got too fat for its skin because the skin split. This meant it was time to plant my bean. I filled a paper cup with black potting soil. Then I laid my fat, wrinkly bean in the cup and covered it with soil. I watered it when the soil was dry, even though I couldn't see my bean, hidden under the damp black soil. I watched for it every day. Then one day, just like in the story of Jack and the Beanstalk, something wonderful happened. A greenish white stalk poked up from the soil. My bean was dangling from the end of it. Soon 2 leaves grew on my bean plant. These were shaped like Valentine hearts. More green, heart-shaped leaves sprouted. My bean plant grew bigger and bigger. It needed a bigger place to live and grow. I filled a flower pot with potting soil, very gently, very carefully. I took my one bean with its bright green leaves and roots spreading through my black moist soil out of the paper cup. I planted it in the flower pot where it could stay. Sunshine shone on it and made my bean plant grow some more. One day I saw lots of little green bumps on my bean plant. Those little green bumps were buds. The buds burst open and lots of white flowers blossomed among the green leaves. When the white flowers fell off, tiny bean pods hung in their place. Before long, there were lots of bean pods growing on my beautiful bean plant. Those tiny bean pods grew bigger. One day I picked one. I split it open and looked inside. What do you think I saw? I saw some smooth and shiny beans, shaped just like the one bean that had started it all. I picked a few pods and ate the beans that grew inside them, and they were very, very good. The end. Here are some more activities that you can do with your child. Say the seeds that you find in fruits and vegetables you eat. Observe their size, shape, and color. At the end of the week, count how many seeds you saved. Try to remember which fruits and vegetables the seeds come from. You can make a mosaic of dried beans glued on cardboard. This is fun to do because many beans come in different colors and sizes. You could place dry beans in a paper towel tube and close the ends with tape to make a musical instrument. Use your bean instrument like a maraca and play along to a favorite song. Here is some more information about beans. What is a bean? A bean is a seed. Many plants from dandelions growing in the grass to tall shady trees grow from seeds. Some seeds are so tiny you could hardly see them. Like nuts and acorns are big. Why is a bean a perfect seed to grow? Why does the bean in this book look different from the beans you eat for dinner? How do plants grow? What else can you discover from watching seeds turn into plants? Please enjoy this month's LEAP lesson.